Welcome to the channel. Today we're reviewing the 5 best half-inch concrete drill bits, 2026, chosen for their durability, precision, and versatility. Concrete drill bits are essential for contractors, builders, and DIY enthusiasts working with cement, brick, stone, and masonry. These bits feature carbide tips, diamond cores, and SDS shanks to ensure efficient drilling with minimal wear. With trusted names like Titke, Solly, and Catito, this lineup covers everything from small masonry jobs to professional construction projects. Let's explore the top 5 drill bits that combine strength, reliability, and industrial performance. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. Titke Concrete Drill Bit Set. The Titke Concrete Drill Bit Set includes 10 pieces ranging from 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch, making it versatile for multiple applications. Designed with industrial-strength carbide tips, these bits deliver precision and durability when drilling into concrete, brick, tile, wood, and even glass. Compact yet powerful, the set balances affordability with performance, offering long service life and reduced wear. Titke ensures smooth drilling with minimal vibration, making it ideal for both professionals and DIY users. This set is perfect for homeowners, contractors, and builders who need reliable drill bits for everyday projects. With its wide range of sizes, Titke provides flexibility for different tasks, ensuring consistent results across materials. Number 2. Solly Diamond Core Drill Bit. The Solly Diamond Core Drill Bit is a professional option designed for heavy-duty concrete drilling. Featuring a 2-inch diameter and 10 drilling depth, it's ideal for cured concrete, brick, block, and masonry. Turbo laser-welded segments enhance durability and cutting speed, while the 5/811 thread ensures compatibility with standard core drills. Compact yet powerful, it balances precision with strength, making it suitable for contractors and industrial projects. Solly includes 2 adapters for added versatility, ensuring smooth operation across different setups. This drill bit is perfect for professionals seeking a reliable core bit that combines advanced engineering, durability, and consistent performance for demanding construction tasks. Number 3. Concrete Hole Saw Kit. The Concrete Hole Saw Kit is a versatile 17-piece set designed for masonry drilling. Featuring sizes from 30 mm to 110 mm, it accommodates a wide range of applications in brick, cement, block, and concrete. Compact yet powerful, the kit includes 2 drill bits with SDS Plus and Max shanks, ensuring compatibility with rotary hammers. Durable construction guarantees long service life, while precision engineering ensures clean, accurate holes. This kit is ideal for contractors and DIY enthusiasts who need flexibility for multiple projects. With its wide range of sizes and professional design, the Concrete Hole Saw Kit delivers consistent results for construction and renovation tasks. Number 4. Masonry Drill Bit. The Masonry Drill Bit measures 1 inch by 6 inches, making it a reliable option for heavy-duty drilling. Featuring a carbide tip design, it ensures durability and precision when working with cement, brick, stone, and block. Compact yet robust, it balances affordability with performance, offering long service life and reduced wear. This drill bit is ideal for contractors and homeowners tackling masonry projects, from installing anchors to drilling through concrete walls. Ergonomic design ensures smooth drilling with minimal vibration, while the carbide tip enhances cutting efficiency. The masonry drill bit delivers consistent performance for everyday construction and repair tasks. Number 5. Catito Rotary Hammer Drill Bit. The Catito Rotary Hammer Drill Bit is a professional option measuring 1 inch by 10.24 inches. Designed with an SDS Plus shank, it ensures compatibility with rotary hammers for efficient drilling. Compact yet powerful, it balances durability with precision, making it ideal for bricks, cement walls, and concrete. Industrial-grade construction guarantees long service life, while the carbide tip enhances cutting speed and accuracy. Catito delivers a strong option for contractors and DIY enthusiasts seeking a reliable drill bit for demanding masonry projects. This model is perfect for users who need consistent performance and durability in professional construction environments. That wraps up our list of the 5 best half-inch concrete drill bits, 2026. From Titke's versatile 10-piece set to Solly's professional diamond core bit, each option offers unique strengths for contractors, builders, and DIY enthusiasts. The The concrete hole saw kit provides flexibility with multiple sizes, while the masonry drill bit delivers reliable performance for everyday tasks. Catito's rotary hammer bit stands out for professional use in demanding environments. Whether you prioritize versatility, durability, or industrial strength, this lineup ensures reliable drilling performance across concrete, brick, and stone. Each model is designed to enhance productivity while maintaining precision, making them perfect for construction and renovation projects. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and keep your projects powered with the right 1/2 inch concrete drill bit.
I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.